Hi, this is Queen, Head of Customer Success here at AEvent. In our previous videos, I've shown you how to set up your first campaign with AEvent. In this video, I'll be showing you how to schedule your events. Now, why does scheduling matters? Once your campaign is built, you'll need to schedule it. This is what activates your timeline, triggers the automations we set up, and makes your form testable. Depending on your chosen platform, scheduling works a little different. So let me walk you through them. First, let's try and schedule an event using an AStream campaign. So to schedule an event, you just have to click on this, schedule an event. And for this example, we will be scheduling an AStream campaign. So let's select that. So we're using AStream for the event platform. And here are the different scheduling times. You can schedule one time, recurring, and evergreen. So let's say we will be scheduling one time. Just select the date when you want it scheduled, the time, and then click on schedule event. If you want to schedule a recurring event, you just have to select the start date. For example, let's set it to the 30th, started at 1 p.m. And you have to select the repeat mode. I want to set it to daily, so it will repeat daily at 1 p.m. and expiration I'll be setting it to never, and then just click on schedule your event. And if you want to schedule an evergreen event, you just have to select the start day, so we have it set to today, the start time 12 p.m. or you can also select relative, and you can schedule this, let's say every hour, that's hourly, expires hidden set to never, and then click on schedule the event. That's how you are going to schedule an event using an AStream campaign. Now let's say we are going to schedule a Zoom campaign. Let's select a Zoom campaign. So as you can see, the event platform is Zoom, and as you can see here, the delivery application is set to meeting, but if you have a webinar plan with your Zoom account, you should be able to select either meeting or webinar. And here are the schedule types you can select from: one time and recurring. One time, like with AStream, select the start time, click on schedule event. For recurring, the same thing, you just have to select the start date, start time. Let's say we'll set it to 1 p.m. Select the repeat mode, daily. So it will schedule your event at 1 p.m. daily. Set the expiration date to never, and then click on schedule event. So those are the two different ways of scheduling your event. The only difference that I've shown you is scheduling it with an AStream campaign and a Zoom campaign. Once we have successfully selected your campaign and we have clicked on schedule event, so let's click this. If everything is valid, the timeline, the video, the integrations, we'll see a confirmation message that the campaign will move to a scheduled date. But as you can see here, it's saying registration must be enabled. Please ensure your Zoom account is on Pro plan or higher. The Zoom account that I have used for this campaign is not on Pro plan. It's a personal account. So let's try to schedule the AStream campaign instead. All right. So if we schedule this, all right. So we have successfully scheduled our event. Now that we have scheduled it, you'll see it here under upcoming events. You'll have here the option to view the event details. And if you click on edit, you should be able to edit the event as long as it has not started yet, or at least 30 minutes before the event starts. You should be able to edit it. And we can also delete this by clicking on this delete button. So it will prompt us to delete this event, delete this and future events, and delete all. So what will happen next? Once you have your event scheduled, the timeline actions will begin to run. The registration form becomes live and testable. Confirmation, replay, and expired logic will kick in automatically. We are now ready to run internal test or begin sending traffic. So pro tips for Zoom campaigns: test with a real registration and show up to confirm delivery, attendance tracking, and post-event actions. For AStream campaigns, preview your registration to replay flow with a new email to confirm token behavior and replay handling. And lastly, you can clone and reschedule campaigns for partner launches, anchor events, or different audiences. So in the final video, we'll walk you through post-launch strategy, including how to monitor analytics, manage your leads, and refine your campaigns once they are live. I'll see you on the next video.